This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up immediately because you may need to restore data later. Once done, open Settings and navigate to General, then VPN and Device Management to locate the iOS 16 beta profile. You must tap Remove Profile, confirm with your device passcode, and then restart the phone. This deregisters you from future beta updates. Make sure to keep the device charged while it restarts so the change completes without interruption. Once the profile is removed and the device restarts, go straight to Software Update to confirm beta builds no longer appear. If you still see beta versions, toggle Automatic Updates off, wait about 30 to 60 seconds, and toggle it back on to refresh update preferences. You can also sign into your Apple ID beta settings and ensure you're on the public release channel. Doing that ensures future updates are non-beta without needing a computer. To finish, monitor Software Update for the next public release and install when available. You'll then be off the beta track. If the device remains enrolled or unstable after a week, restore from your backup or use Settings General Transfer or reset to erase and reinstall iOS without connecting to a computer. If something goes wrong, check your Wi-Fi, Apple system status, and available storage. These common issues often block updates. Contact Apple support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.